Yo, yo, yo! Meet me again with Andre NYC. How was your Sunday so far? I hope everybody doing well, and I just wanna say happy Halloween. Hope everybody doing great last night. Celebrate and have a good time doing trick or treating. As you guys know, we just secured a property. We just bought a new house, and I would like to thank you for everyone who sent a best message and congratulate about our home purchase. And I know some of us asking me if you can give me a house tour. So, you know what, guys? I'm gonna do a little house tour for you guys today. So I'm so excited. Let's check it out, shall we? All right, so we just arrived right here. This is like a little leftover from last night. Little pumpkin right here, and happy harvest, and also happy Halloween. Let's ring the bell. Who's inside? All right. So this house is actually have almost 3,000 square feet, and this is our living room. And we don't have that much furniture ready yet, and that's some gifts from people who came yesterday for our housewarming party. Like little nook here with my pictures when I was little. My brother right there. Actually, all I did it a couple days ago. Like a little collection of our picture. And then from here, this is actually people can call like a dining area, formal dining. But at this moment, we're gonna repurpose this for the kids' playroom area. Kirana table for dining and little toys, but you're gonna see it more at the second floor. All right, from this kids playing area, I'm gonna take you to the kitchen. We have a pretty decent, quite update kitchen appliances. So basically we have our dishwasher, we have two sink right there, and the microwave, the oven. We actually just bought this guy, the fryer slash toaster. It's actually a really good addition for our kitchen. And also we're still expecting someone coming today. It's like a little nice, I would say, pantry drinking area. Infused water, and some little soda and some little liquor right there. Next, this is actually one of my favorite spots in the morning. There we can get some breakfast over here, like a little breakfast nook with a little twisted table, so you can watch in Kirana, have a breakfast. And this is our little cute dining table. It's actually coming from one of our friends. They're so kind. They give to us, and they're still good quality, and it's actually really fit with our team in our house. It was from Cosimon and Jillian. Thank you all. Next one, this is actually, I would say, the heart of our house. This is our living room. We have 50-inch flat LED screen right there. We have the firework. It's a cute, nice little coffee table. And I remember when we bought this, all furniture, everything come in boxes. So basically I have to put it out. I will put the next video DIY, how to doing everything. This little cute little chair too as well, come in a box. The light, the maps, that little table Also, everything come in boxes. You should see me maybe weeks ago. Everything is all boxes in that entrance or our entrance room. Next is gonna be one of my highlighted area in the house. We have a patio, so we're so lucky that actually we're facing back empty space in our house. So I'm able to get some little nice patio furniture that we have to assembly. This one is not that hard. I think it's about like $400, and it looked nice actually. It's really fit with our patio color. And also we have this what they call sail shade. I put everything myself. We gotta go to the store, Home Depot, Lowe's, get those nooks and the pole and everything. Make sure everything attached. Yeah, this is pretty much our patio. We just spent our breakfast time and a coffee time here, adding those little barbecue grill. It was a good deal. I got it about, I think, less than $200. It's brand new. Alright, like I said, I think I mentioned it earlier, so our house is shy, almost like 3,000 square feet, dividing into 3 levels. We have basement, we have main floor, which is what we're at right now, and also we have the basement. I'm just gonna take you briefly to our basement. A lot of people call this in-low walk-up basement. They have one small bathroom here with a closet, a hallway, and a kitchen here. So they have a separate entrance. People can cook or have their own entertainment, and they will, for sure, they'll have their own privacy. This is the bigger room. And then we're planning to put some set, or if they want to put some TV and everything. And literally this will take out to our backyard. Our backyard here. So if you want to farming, you want to plant some stuff, maybe not right now, maybe it's too late, we can do it next year during springtime for sure. And this is your separate entrance. All right, so that's pretty much our basement, and we're gonna go back up to the second floor. So this house is actually comes with 5 bedroom and also 2.5 bathroom. So every single floor they have their own bathroom. The only one on the main floor that will be like a half bath. All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs. I know my lady and my princess there took a nap, so it's gonna be quiet. And you're gonna walk a little bit and don't make so much noise, all right? All right, let's do this. All right, on the right side will be our bedroom. Shh, quiet, please. Hey, mommy.
Hi.
Look, my lady's actually relaxing. So yeah, this is our bedroom. It has a king bed. We're adding a couple nightstand on the side. this little light also. We're actually doing everything ourselves, and we have quite big windows facing outside, which is awesome. And normally during sunset, this room will be nice and toasty. And this is our bathroom, I'm sorry. It comes with a 5-piece. That means they have the standing shower, they have the bathtub, double sink, the half bath right here, and also we have the walk-in closet, which is still kind of messy. Sorry for the mess. But yeah. And then I did like little DIY painting a little bit over there, and then we add the little handles, golden color, to kind of spice it up a little bit. Alright, let's go to the next room. So I have bathroom up here. We have laundry area. It's a little messy. We did like Sunday laundry. And then Kirana room will be this one, but we're gonna check here a little bit. So I'm thinking about making this as my office, or maybe just a little room for a guest. So I'm not gonna say anything on the Kirana's room. It's just gonna be super quiet. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much our little house tour. So pretty much you see everything here. So thank you all for still watching the video. And then if you guys have any comment, any question, or you want to say something or anything, just leave any comment or any suggestion in the comments below. And yeah, please, if you kindly enough, if you want to share or like or even subscribe, that will be awesome. And again, you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you'll have a great Sunday. Stay safe, and I'll see you again next time for the next video. Peace.